What are you up to, eBay, huh? What you got cooking in that kitchen? What's going on, guys? My name is Eddie and welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to make this quick video to go over a new feature that eBay has implemented on the site. The feature itself allows you to create groups of buyers that you can send coupons to. It's a bulk option. Before, you would have to go through and everybody that had purchased something from you, you would have to send the coupons one by one. This option, however, allows you to do that a lot faster by just creating a group and sending out the coupon. Now, I'm gonna get into that video real quick, but I just wanted to say this. Apparently, eBay has invested a lot of time and money and attention into this. And apparently it's for a reason. Whether or not you agree with it and whether or not we think, well, we'll see how it works, right? Use it for a little while, see how it works. I've been using it the last couple of days. I've gotten at least 1 or 2 sales off of it. You'll see in the video. But I think this emphasis and this focus on repeat business and return customers, I'm pretty sure they got some data and analytics behind it, some marketing psychology behind it. It's easier to get somebody who's bought from you once to buy from you again, especially if they had a good experience or at least a pretty good, decent experience, right? I think, and coming just from the corporate world, this is one of the reasons why anytime I know I mess up on eBay, I go above and beyond to fix the problem. I think that this could be a very useful tool. How useful? That remains to be seen, but useful nonetheless. I've done it, like I said, a couple days ago. I've already gotten a couple sales off of it. I don't know if it's 1 or 2. It was only $25, so that could be 1 sale, could be 2. Haven't figured out how to see. I probably can go in and check and see if, I don't know if there's a breakdown of how many sales that is or if it's just giving me the total. I'll have to double check that. But for us as sellers, I really think that we should I think that if eBay's putting time and money behind this, they're going to push it. So I believe if you're using it and sending those coupons out, they're going to find a way to drive those people back to your store to use those coupons, whether it be in the form of reminders through their eBay messaging system, emails, so on and so forth. Maybe when they log in, they'll get a notification that, hey, this seller, sent you this coupon, hurry up and use it, whatever. If they put the money and resources into building this option and this feature, I think they're going to definitely push it. So as a seller, you got to at least give it a try. I mean, I don't really have an opinion on it one way or another at the moment. I'm just going to use it and use it frequently and see what happens, see what type of business it drums up, see how much it increases my return buyer rate. Because like I said, it's easier to get somebody to buy from you a second, third, fourth time if they've already bought from you once and they had at least a decent experience, nothing too crazy, right? And I know I try to offer the highest level of customer service possible on eBay at all times, whether that be in the form of my listings or in the form of shipping my items. I do mess up just like everybody else, but when I do, I also try to go above and beyond, fix it. So without further ado, anyway, I'm going to go into this video and I'm going to show you guys how to set everything up. Okay, guys. So here we are in my account under the marketing tab. And as you can see, this is where you would come to look at your marketing, create a coupon, so on and so forth. Right here on the left hand side, you got promotions, markdown sale, buyer groups. This buyer groups link right here is the new feature that eBay has added. So let's click on that. And here it gives you some information. So it shows buyer insights February 27th, February 27th. Total buyers 3,414. One-time buyers 3,347. And repeat buyers 67. Now it says about buyer groups, connects you with customers with the help of this brand new, or connect with your customers with the help of this brand new segmentation feature. Differentiate your customers. You can sort through your sales history across all categories from last month to a year. Treat buyers to special deals. Launch focus campaigns to attract specific buyers. And you can drive repeat purchases. Build customer loyalty with custom coupons for your buyers. All right, now if you want to create a group, you would go here, which we will do in a second. But as you can see, I've already come in here and played around with it. So I created a group. It's called VIP1, your buyers. Purchase period I selected was more than 31 days ago. All categories. Total reach was 2,961, and I sent the coupon already. And if I'm not mistaken, I already had at least 1 or 2 people use this coupon. But I got to go check and see. But anyway, now let's just say you wanted to start from scratch and create a group. You would click on this, create a buyer group. And here, this is pretty much the same setup as when you create any other coupon. Okay, you have to create this coupon first in order to create your group. So right here is more than 31 days ago. You can select less than 31 days ago. And as you see, when you select that right down here at the bottom, it's going to show you the eligible buyers. So if I select less than 31 days, that gives me 407 to 523 buyers. If I select more than 31 days, that gives me 2,086 to 2,682. And if I select more than 3 months ago, that even goes down a little bit more. So I would select probably more than 31 days, but that depends on you. Scroll down, you can select categories. I just do all inventory, but you can segment that if you want to. Buyer group name, we'll call this buyer group name VIP2. And as you can see, total today's eligible buyers, that gives you the number. VIP2, last purchase more than 31 days ago, all inventory. Okay, we're going to save this buyer group down here. Now, okay, now here's where we create the coupon. You can select from a coupon that you already have, or you can create a coupon. See, I already have 2 coupons. I have this 30% off coupon, but that is specifically, that's a private coupon just for when I mess up orders. And then I have this VIP 20, or I can create a whole new one. Let's create a whole new coupon. We'll make this one 15% coupon. Call it VIP 15 off. We'll make that private coupon because we don't want it public. We don't want everybody using it. We just want this group to use it. Change this to 15. And I'm going to only allow it to be used once. I'm not going to do multiple uses, one use. I'm going to do all inventory. I'm not going to do a price range or item condition, but you can set those parameters if you like. Just going to add a photo right here. And you can set how long you want this coupon to run for. Now, if I was going to actually run this coupon, since I already did a buyer group, I'm not going to do another one right now, and I already sent that coupon out. But if I was going to, you can do it for however long you want. A few weeks. I think I did mine for 2 weeks. I created it yesterday, and I think I got it running until the 12th. So on 2 weeks. Yeah, a little bit over 2 weeks. You can do that. So let's just say I'll leave it at the 20th, set it to end 12 a.m. And then you would just click launch coupon here. But I am just going to save it as a draft for now. That's not unique, huh? Well, now we'll save it. All right, so we saved that as a draft for now because I don't want to send that out, especially since I just sent one. We'll go back over here to the buyers groups. And as you can see down here, you got this VIP2, all categories. And because I didn't, finish it out, it doesn't show me a total reach. But I also would have the option right here to send that coupon out or edit this coupon for now. I don't have that option here because I already sent it. As you can see, last action, coupon sent. This should be interesting to see, how much traffic it drives to the store. If I go back over here and look at the promotions, if I'm not mistaken, this is it right here. So I just ran this yesterday, the 26th, and right now I got $25.48 in promotional sales. Someone's used it already, which is good. So someone's used it. I mean, you would think a little bit more than 30 days out of 2,000 people, you would get somebody in. So what I want to see is between now and the next 2 weeks, what the percentage is, of redemptions to the amount of people that I sent it out to. And just see if it's worth it. These coupons can be iffy sometimes. I know I tried the coupon with, I've sent out to people who've already purchased. I tried putting them in the packages and all of that. None of that never really brought me anything. We'll see how this works. There you go. This is how you create a buyer's group. This lets us know what eBay's been up to and probably why there's been so many glitches lately. But evidently, eBay is focused on and investing a lot of money in getting sellers to drive repeat business. So if they put a lot of money in this, and if they're putting this much time and attention and money into this, then I think for us as sellers, it's definitely worth a try to try it out, see what happens, and see how many people that you can bring back. I'm pretty sure they're using some sort of data and marketing psychology to back up and justify adding this feature. Might as well just try it out and see what happens. All right, there you have it. It's that simple. Super easy. Should only take a couple minutes to do. You can do it as frequently as you want. You can send it, as you can see, there's options for how many customers you want to send it out to. Test it out, see what happens. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried it out yet, and if you have, what type of results have you seen with it so far. I also think that, because people's results, of course, can be for various reasons. If you already got a bunch of crappy stuff in your store and you send out these coupons, I don't know how much of a difference that's going to make, So I think that if it's not working for you, maybe just double check some of the things in your store and make sure your store is up to par and there's not some things that you can fix first, because a coupon ain't necessarily going to fix, if you fix things, if you got a bunch of broken stuff going on. But I think if you got a decent, solid store, majority of your listings are solid, you got good titles and descriptions and pictures and things like that, I think this could be a very useful tool in bringing back some customers to you who have purchased from you before, especially, and I really, really wish there was a way we can see who follows us. What buyers follow us. Now that would be something, right? If you can see instead of just if you can see instead of just 100 something followers or 200 or 1,000 followers, if you can see a list of those usernames, now that would be very, very useful. Actually, one thing that you can do, and I don't know if, some of you guys probably got a lot of sales, so I don't know how practical this is, dependent. But if you just want to do some research, and if you don't already know this, when you go into your paid and shipped items, you can put in a buyer's username, and all their purchases will come up. And I think you can even set a date range. So you can actually see what buyers are buying from you multiple times. I just had to do that. I just messed up somebody's order, a lady, and she was real cool about it. Honestly, she was real cool about it. But still, I gave her a partial refund and I sent her a 30% off coupon. She was adamant that I didn't have to do neither or. Please don't. I know it was just a mistake. But look, I'm all about guest recovery. It costs less to retain a customer than it does to acquire a customer. And so I went ahead and gave her a partial refund anyway and sent her a 30% off coupon. But I was saying that to say that when I went and searched her username, under paid and shipped items, I had seen that she had bought like six different times from me. So this is a repeat customer. I do not want to lose that customer, right? I do not want to lose that customer, because if she's bought 6 times, she'll probably buy 7, 8, 9, 10. And especially when she sees that even though I messed up, I go above and beyond to fix the issue, that should be another return customer. So, maybe go through your paid and shipped items and check on some usernames. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know how practical that is or not, but the main idea is that you want to try to definitely get those who have purchased from you in the past to purchase from you again. If they had like I said, a good experience or at least a decent experience, it's more likely that they will buy from you than a new customer. And I think that if eBay, and this is just my opinion, I think that if eBay sees that, I wonder if it'll do something with the algorithm where they'll drive more traffic to your store, where they see that you're engaging with the feature, you're engaging with your customers, you're trying to bring back that repeat business. Because you got to think, right? If it's activity anyway, it should be activity in your store. I think the algorithm will push even more customers your way because eBay sees that, okay, and of course, this is all speculatory. eBay sees, okay, he or she, they're using the feature. Let's go ahead and drive some new customers their way because they're going to keep bringing these customers back. Because remember, every time that customer buys it, eBay understands this. It's easier to get the customer to buy a second and third time than it is to get that first new person. And so the more they want you to do it, because the more you do it and drive people back, of course, the more money they make, because repeat customers, repeat business. Every time that person buys, there's final value fees and all of that good stuff coming eBay's way, right? And they know that. And it's cheaper to do it that way than it is to go out and get new customers. So think what you will about that whole strategy and concept. I think eBay understands that it's cheaper to do it this way than it is to just spend a bunch of money on advertising and bring new customers in, especially since they know the majority of their site is what they call, quote unquote, I don't know, it was low quality sellers or something like that they said. But if that's the case, I don't think they really want to spend money on bringing that type of business back. So they figure they'll invest in a feature that they can give us. I guess I'm a low quality. I don't know what they called it. I'm that seller, right? I don't sell expensive stuff. Majority of my items is under $20. The majority. My average sale price is anywhere from $12 to $14 at any given 90-day period. So, but that's the sweet spot. That for me is the sweet spot. I get a lot of sales that way. It works out for me. Anyway, eBay understands this, and I guess they figure we'll invest in that. It's easier that way. And the more people we can get these sellers to bring back to buy from their stores, it makes it easier for us to collect those fees and not have to spend as much money on advertising. So anyway, let me know what you think, man. If you think this video was helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then make sure you bang on that notification bell so that you're notified every time I drop another video. My goal is to do a video every Wednesday, every Sunday. Look, sometimes I might be a day late, okay? I got kids and I got a lot going on. Sometimes I might be a day late or so, but I'll definitely make sure those 2 videos is coming to you every week. All right? Drop down some suggestions. Let me know what you think if you use this feature. If you didn't use the feature yet, try it out and report back. All right? I'm out.